In a quaint village, old Mrs. Jenkins swore her house was haunted. Every night she heard eerie whispers and footsteps. She called her neighbour Tom for help. "Tom, the ghosts are back," she exclaimed. Tom, a skeptic, chuckled. "Mrs. Jenkins, it's probably just the wind." Determined to prove her point, Mrs. Jenkins invited Tom over for a night. As they sat in the dark, the whispers began. "See?" she whispered. Suddenly, Tom burst out laughing. "Mrs. Jenkins, that's your cat, Mr. Whiskers, snoring." They both laughed, and Mrs. Jenkins sighed. "Guess I need a hearing aid. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us."